In today's video, I'll share with you some money-making sources so you can earn PayPal cash online. They work for absolutely free and are worldwide available so anyone can join. Just make sure to follow me till the end of this video so you can get every step right. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are watching this video that if you haven't already, to subscribe to Nehemiah's World with notifications on, because you're going to get notified each time I upload brand new strategies just like this ones on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and that way make the most money. Also, if you like this type of content, you can just give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this tutorial, and also share it with your friends too. Without any further ado, let's now start with today's tutorial so I can show you every single step. And what I want you to do first is to come over to the first platform, of course, which is going to be this one here called CashKick, and it's over at cashkick.com. I'm going to give you actually multiple sources, not just this one here, so stay tuned until the end. As you can see, cash is the greatest reward. They are going to deposit cash into your account for all of the fun things that you already do online, which includes answering surveys, finding great deals, you can watch videos and surf the web. So watching videos is actually one of the easiest ways to get paid online. That's why I highly recommend that you focus on that one. But if you want to make the most money, of course, you can do all of the other tasks as well. As you can see, you can get paid directly to your PayPal account, or just put your email address over here, a password, and click on get started now. So let's check out some other features of CashKick. For example, it's very easy to start. You're going to find and then complete your mission from the ones that we mentioned even before. You can complete as many as you like. There is no limit. You can watch the earnings grow in your account again and again, and you can cash out early, easily, and often. Once you reach $10 in your account, you'll be able to just request your money. You can see here how it works, and it works like this. Companies want to know more about your opinion, your feedback, and your opinions are valuable for them, and they pay you for that. So all you need to do is to have an internet connection. You're going to take some service, for example, watch some videos for some brands, and then get paid again and again. There are some testimonials over here from people that are members of this platform for years now that you can read by yourself too. So this was over at cashkick.com. Let me proceed to the second platform for today, which is called gg2u.org. You can earn rewards for taking surveys, playing games as well, watching videos, and more. You can choose to be paid with PayPal, Bitcoin, or e-gift cards, so even this one pays you in PayPal money. And you're going to notice here that they offer the best payout rates in the entire industry, and they also offer you a $1 sign-up bonus, which is a nice addition. You can just put your first name, an email address, a username, a password, select your country, and after that agree to the privacy policy and membership agreement and click on sign up for GG2U. They offer some of the easiest ways to get paid. As we saw before, you can even play games, which is one of the funniest ways to get paid online. You can install apps as well. You can sign up to sites, so you can earn some extra money by playing video games and with all of these other activities as well. Some of the new members can earn enough for their first payout within minutes of join. So it means that it also depends a little bit on you and how much time and effort you're going to put on this. You can even earn some extra money by promoting this platform. You can get your referral code and then just refer other people as well, so they can become new members over here, and you can get paid 5% of the money that they make for every referral forever, which is pretty awesome actually. And let me mention that this platform is available internationally, so you can be from anywhere in the world. So this was the second platform for today. I really hope that you are enjoying this video till now. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Nehemiah's World and hit the notification bell on to support me. So I'm going to proceed to the third platform for today, which is called Zoombucks, and it's over at zoombucks.com. You can earn cash by completing surveys, watching TV, which means watching videos, and doing some offers. You can just join for free by putting your email address, a password, confirm the password, and then click on the sign up now button, or you can even sign up with your Facebook or Google account, because it is a lot faster and easier. So let's see how it works. First of all, advertisers want engagement for their service, products and services, so they come over here to seek help from Zoombucks, and Zoombucks is going to recruit members just like you that are willing to get paid by completing different online activities. And once you do so, like taking surveys, completing offers and so on, you can get paid with cash and also gift cards. And down here you have all of the gift cards that you can just get as a reward. Of course, you can just get Walmart gift card, Google Play points, iTunes gift card, Xbox Live gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and if you click on see all rewards, you can see here that they also pay you in PayPal money, which is pretty awesome because even this one pays you in PayPal money. And this is a live feed of people from all around the world getting paid whenever they complete like a task over here. They are from Hungary, America, Romania, India, Brazil, Israel, France, and so on. And Zoombucks also has some reviews on Trustpilot that you can check out by yourself. They have more than 662 reviews and 4.7 stars. So most of the people have rated this as excellent, and they have been around since 2012 now. So it shows that this is a legit platform because they have been around for 10 years. And as you may know, most of the scam websites tend to disappear after a short period of time. With that said, guys, this was the third platform, and I'm going to proceed to the fourth and also the last one for today, which is called Paid Work. This is over at paidwork.com, and this platform used to be zerklami.com. I've mentioned it even before. You can make money online on your phone, computer, or tablet. You can get paid whenever you are and for free. Just download the app on App Store, on Google Play Store if you have an iOS or Android device, or you can even continue with the desktop version by clicking on the registration button in the upper right corner. So you're going to just sign up with your Google account if you want, to, or Microsoft account, because it is a lot faster. But you can even do that manually by putting your email address, a password, and click on the next step to put your other information. So back to their homepage, you can see that you can turn your time into profit. This is a full-time or additional job. You can work from every country in the world. You just need an internet connection and you need to start doing some of the online activities that they offer, just like playing games, completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, creating accounts, and so on. And then you're going to collect your profits. By following their instructions, you're going to even make like up to $150 per month. Of course, it is not a lot of money, but it's still a good way to earn some extra money. So it's you who decides how much you can earn. It means that you can spend a lot of time here in order to make the most money. That's why I said even before that it depends on the effort and dedication that you put into these platforms. So you can increase your earnings wherever you are. You can just use this platform to earn money, and you can set your own goals because it's you who decides what kind of tasks you want to complete over here. There are a lot of money making ways here on paidwork.com. Just download the app for free on your phone or tablet from App Store or Google Play Store, or just continue here on the desktop version by clicking on the registration button, just like I showed you even before. If you want to make the most money, of course, you can combine all of the 4 sources that I gave you today, and they pay all in PayPal money, so you're going to see your PayPal balance growing again and again. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, make sure to give a thumbs up, a comment down below, and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.